All right, let's see if I can do a 5-minute video today. Well, today was a qualifying day. I've already made enough profit to move on. Today was day 5, September 19th. Starting 5 right now. Um, Today was Tuesday, September 19th, 2023. Took a small win, and then I went into the sim account. I gotta get better at trading sim, because I take it not well. Today I took it seriously, more serious than I normally do. But I need to take that a little bit more serious. So day trading one contract, ATM3. Once again, that's a 10 tick stop loss with a 20 tick profit target. I moved it to break even today, and I was able to grab three and a half, well, $35, or was that 7 ticks on the NASDAQ? 7 times 5 is 35. Um, the bias in the morning was short. Let's see if I can get back to it. Let me pause here and then show it. So we have this set up here coming in prior to 9:30. This big number right there. So you see the short covering into the open. And you see that downward movement, and then it covers here. And this becomes an area of contention later in this session at 350, the 50s. By the way, the Nutty versus Patrick Wieland contest was going on. Patrick rage quit today. He hit his max daily loss, and also his um, he blew his $150,000 account, which I figured he would do because he's I just I've been in his shoes before. I know what it's like to be out there and be a YouTube personality. You get bigger than your britches, as the saying goes. So you see this here. Here's a short I believe I took on. There you can see me shorten that. Takes me out. Now short it again. That one's a break-even winner. And I forget what I did to win today, but basically I was taking on shorts. I think I took this short on right around here somewhere. Yeah, I was shorting here, covered. Short up here again. I shorted this, by the way, at the 456. It didn't show it correctly. This was my bigger winner right now. I caught it from up here. Remember, the sim account has this is where I caught it up here, and I covered down here. This was a max profit trade right there, 60 tick move, 30 tick by 2. Shows me here. It shows me re-entering, taking that on. This was, well, actually no, this trade was up here. This is where I took it on based up here. I think that was my big winner for the day right there. That got me above. I think I was down. Might have had one more trade I took on. Yeah, right here. Covered up. I believe I covered. No, I think I covered and came back in. Yeah, I came back in here. This is the one that won right in there. You see me covering right around there. So the bias was short. Looks like I tried it one more time. I actually caught this trade up here though. I don't know why this shows it way down here. I don't know what it is about the sim showing a wrong setup. The real account, when you're trading one of your Apex accounts, it shows it right, but the sim for some reason doesn't show the correct entry. It kind of floats, and I don't know why it does that, but I was able to catch a few of those short trades coming down and go positive on the day. And now we're at trading 2 contracts. I think I traded 4 once. That was a mistake. I should stop doing those kind of shit things. I just need to cover and go for the next day. I mean the next trade. So here's the 5 minute, and then we'll wrap it up here. So today was day 5 in the EA. I've already qualified this account, EA 86, to move on. I just got to get to 2 more trading days. ATM 3s, 10 tick stop loss with a 20 tick profit target. I went to break even today on my trade. That would have been actually been a big winner. That was that 930 move. I think that would have been a 60 tick move if I would have stayed in it. And I just wasn't looking for a quick profit and move on to the next day. That would have set up my day a little bit better, because that opening trade would have been 600 bucks. Yeah, you can see the 930 move. Bias was definitely short coming in here. All the other charts were showing shorts. Shorts coming in. The 50s couldn't hold. By the way, Wieland lost trying to buy at these 50 marks down here. That's pretty stupid. Thinking it was going to go up. And you had some area that wanted to go down underneath this and test it. I wouldn't have touched. Hindsight, I think I took on one long at one place and broke even. I'll show you the long setup that I saw. It's the second, and we'll wrap this up. So this was a short signal today. Looking at all the charts, everything was saying go short today. That's my humble opinion. I'm sticking to it. I should know how to short side trade because that's what I'm good at doing. So let me find that one and only long setup today. Be right back. Okay, so here comes the one and only long setup. And remember, if these don't hold, it becomes a good short signal. So this is the one and only long signal of the morning around the 315. And then you see a little bit of a confirmation with an ODD, roughly, or close to an ODD, trying to take on a long. This was the one and only long signal this morning. And if it doesn't hold, it becomes a failure bar, right? And then we're taking it on. This is completely screwed up as far as that goes. Here's the short coming in here. See how it couldn't break out? Here's my short. Anyway, so went to 306. I don't know where the buyback is, but that was a failure at the 315. So 312, and then you saw it go to 305, 306. So a failure of this to move up, and then you see the downside trade of that. I don't know why the sim doesn't show it correctly, but that was a winning trade for me right there. So if there was any chance for it to move up, this was the one and only long signal that I saw this morning. All right, Dave Knight here at Dave Knight Trading. Thanks for watching. Thank you for being here. I'll see you in the next video put together. Bye for now.